Although the last year has been different and difficult through this coronavirus pandemic, I'm very proud of the efforts of our parish this past year. The safety and the sanctification of our community is our primary concern. And so, after the pandemic hit, we took into consideration and put into effect the advice and guidance of our diocese and our health officials to create a clean and safe environment here at Holy Family so that we could minister to our community and worship as parishioners, as brothers and sisters in Christ. Some of the things I would like to highlight first would be our meal ministry. I was really excited to see that soon after the pandemic hit and we went into lockdown, a number of our parishioners came together, they became Safe Serve certified, and they began to cook and provide meals to members of our community weekly, hundreds of meals.
We initially figured we would do it for people who couldn't financially make it because of they were either out of work or whatever. And then we figured too that there's people who have been quarantined and don't go out and maybe just need to get out and get a meal that they didn't have to cook, and maybe even see some people while they're picking it up.
I really enjoyed my time outside handing out the meals. I got to meet so many people from the Latrobe neighborhood. People would come on foot, people would come in their cars. They would sit for an hour and a half at least waiting for us to bring the food out. They would park along Ligonier Street as far as the eye could see. The people who came to help in the kitchen, they were all very happy to be here. It gave them a purpose. It gave them, I think, great joy to be able to help other people.